gloves, this. Hand hurts again already.
Are we gonna try the one paper towel challenge?
I don't think it's possible, but.
Yeah, if you're clean.
One paper towel challenge.
Yeah, you pull the plug.
That's the hard part.
Don't get any on you. Use your fingers to just wipe up, let it all go into the thing. And then when you clean out the thing, you can use the paper towel.
You use the one paper towel to clean out the pan?
And everything, yeah. You wipe your hands on it at first if you get a little bit on you when you pull the plug.
That's not gonna happen. I've never not made a mess.
But what's the goal, though? That is the goal, right? To get better at it?
Yeah, definitely.
So if you practice this, try your hardest, because it's a challenge. Maybe you'll try harder and make less of a mess. I mean, it'll be interesting. I mean, yeah, sure, if you screw it up right off the rip, is it very possible? Yeah, but it'll be fun.
So what's it called? One drip or one paper towel?
One paper towel. You can send it to him if you pass it.
Oh, I was not on video. Alright guys, it's time for an oil change. Number 1 on dirty private pots. I'm gonna try this. Look, one wrinkly paper towel challenge. If I can even get to it. It's probably like 30 degrees now, the oil. So, oil changes without a lift are way harder. Ah, fudge me. Let's see, I feel like it's gonna go right in my mouth. Trying this cute little folding ratchet out, and I don't know if it's strong enough. Leverage. Okay. Yeah. I think I need a bigger ratchet. Wait, let me use my stronger hand. Help, I need a bigger ratchet, I think.
Okay. No, it's probably fine. It hasn't been that long.
Alright, let's try this big one. It's on tight and not loosened. Okay, so let's see. Alrighty. Step 1, loosen the nut. So step 2 is getting the screw out without getting it in your mouth. Holy whoa. I don't think this is how they do it at the shop, guys, but fudge, I'm scared. It's gonna go right in my mouth. Everything's gonna be fine. Okay. Holy fudge. Holy fudge. Oh fuck. Give me fudge. Oh, it's in my hair. Okay. Yep, I failed that challenge already. And now you let it drain. Easy as pie.
Good job.
Oh. I didn't even use the paper towel yet. Just these fancy paper bags on the floor.
Yeah.
Ay.
Does it feel warm still?
Yeah, it's not hot, but yeah, it's warm.
It's going good.
Yeah. Oh, I can't wait to get my lift on. I shouldn't have to do another oil change till my lift's done. Hopefully. Alright, so loosening. Change the filter. Gotta. Jeez, were they like super strong at the factory or what? Well, this is a 24 millimeter. There we go. You know what I don't have is my one paper towel I'm allotted that I already haven't even used, because who needs it when you got floor? Gracias. Oh yeah. Alright guys, this is what we're putting in her for the first oil change. AMS oil. Signature series. 0W20. And you know, gotta change the oil filter too. Alright, we're at a slow drip, so we're gonna plug her back in. Wipe it away here. Give her a nice clean screw. So you're gonna get it in there and then wipe it away. Nice oil. We don't have we can't torque this because our torque wrench doesn't go to 20, but it's 20 pounds of foot pressure. So tight. Should be good. Okay, I'll lube up this O-ring. Put it back on here. Well, not back on, it's a new one. Oh, Nike, this one's way tighter. It's so cold. Oh, yes. Okay. That was fun, guys. Alright, then you just get your O-ring into that last little groove. Ah. There we go. Now the easy part, the filter. Ow, my hand. that guy in there. Wrench. Climb up into the engine bay so I can see. Okay. Alright, this goes right in the middle. And delete. Alright, now we can put the oil in there. I get down without falling. Alright, that was better than the first time. Alright, now this thirsty Jeep needs 5 quarts of oil. A 0W20 AMSOIL signature. Alright. Put the cap back on and we'll check the dipstick after we start it.